Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, all the way up here in Williston, North Dakota. And look what we have here. Schindler 330A. Yes, it's a Schindler, folks. Nice. Whoa, focus getting there we go. Here we go up to 2. Now I'm going to say this. Schindler is very rare in Menards stores. And I'm guessing the reason why they installed this is because Abell was way too fun to go up here, so. Anyway, there's the indicator. Capacity of 4,000 pounds. 8T van resistant buttons. Yes, it literally says 4,000 pounds. It's not Spanish. No. Not again. Wow, nice. That's gonna go no mode. There goes the elevator. It scared the crap out of me.
Humble. Lower.
There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.